How to make apps icon bigger on Samsung phone. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps on how to make app icon bigger on Samsung phone. Before you do it, so you want to make sure that your device is completely up to date, and you also want to make sure that you're connected to an internet service. Now then, what you want to do is you simply want to hold on to any of these blank space on your Samsung device, just like this, and click on the gear icon right over here, and then you have this app screen grid or home screen grid. You could go and make sure to change it by swiping to the numbers you could see, or else you could also go to app screen, and when you go to app screen you could go and locate it. So, and that is how you could do it. So once you are done making changes, click on the done button, and that's the way you could actually go ahead and make app icon bigger on Samsung phone. That is the way you could do it. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.